Hello, I'm Mauricio. In the next minutes, I'll cover the capital budget and timeline for the Tlaxcoapan lithium project. The initial capital requirement is 368 million US dollars. Here's the breakdown. The first step will be exploration, costing up to $1.5 million, distributed in cartography, drilling, and the next step handles with road construction. 12 kilometers of road and several platforms will be prepared, costing $1.7 million. The third step will deal with preparing the mine. The mining method will be open pit. Pre-striping and mobilization of the fleet of transport vehicles will cost $8 million. The fourth will handle the concentration plant and scaling of 70% of the Pilgangura stage. This means taking a similar plant that processes as grinding and flotation for reference and adjusting the operation prices for this project, making up to 65.4 million US dollars. The fifth step will deal with metallurgy and refinement. The calciner and leachate for lithium hydroxide with 20 kilotons per year will cost 190 million US dollars. The last step is services and utilities, such as a water plant, workshops all around the area, laboratories, and substations will elevate the cost 19 million US dollars. The salary for the project leader will be 240,000 US dollars for the whole 5 years, coming to a subtotal of $286 million. Additional costs like indirect costs such as permits and management and contingency costs that represent 15% of the subtotal will raise the total capex to $368.19 million. Now, let's see that budget with time. The Gantt chart spreads the project over 5 years. Geology on the left, engineering in the center, construction in the middle right, and steady state production on the far right. The Gantt chart is below the capex analysis. From the months 0 to 9 cover prospecting, geochemical sampling and lab assays. By month 9 we publish a maiden resource supported by a 3D block model. Now the environmental impact assessment is filled in month 9 and runs 9 months. To compress the critical path, we begin basic engineering in month 12, then detailed engineering and procurement in month 18, everything finished before the first concrete is poured. Now, field execution starts month 26. We build the concentration, utilities, and the lithium hydroxide refinery, and at that time, a contractor removes 3 million tons of overburden from the pit. Both streams converge in month 38. Commissioning runs 6 months. Once the plant is stable, we enter a pilot phase and ramp up to full capacity. 1 million tons of ore and 20,000 tons of lithium hydroxide by month 52. From then on, production, sales, and environmental monitoring run concurrently. To sum up, the total of capex investment aligned with a disciplined 60-month timeline, or else 5 years, turning Puebla's pegmatite into battery-grade lithium hydroxide. Thank you for listening.